Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can print everything by using your Android device. So we have to start from the opening app driver and go to the files. Now just choose the file that you want to print. I will choose that one. This is a PDF file and we are now in the PDF reader. Now click here on this three-dot icon and choose print. Now select your printer and if you want to choose more settings or edit it, just slide your finger to the down. There is a place where you can choose the color or black and white mode, two sides, paper size, orientation, pages, or open advanced settings. If you are ready, click here and click OK if you want to set it as default. But now I will show you also how you can print files from the gallery, images. So we have to open the gallery app and choose the photo that you want to print. Now click share, click allow and click more. Now look for the print. Choose your print again, and if you want to print it here, just click here and click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.